Welcome back to Financial Works, the channel where we help you make money online with simple and effective strategies. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most amazing ways to generate income online: passive income. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and how you can increase it and leverage it for financial success. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to make money online with passive income, and why it's a crucial tool for building wealth. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos on how to make money online. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Alright, let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is any money that you make without doing a lot of active work, such as making money from renting out an extra room in your home. Unlike active income, which is money that you make from working a job or providing a service, passive income is money that you make from an action you completed once, like writing a book or creating an app. Passive income may be a great complement to a full-time job you already have, or it may even replace it entirely, giving you more freedom and flexibility. The main advantage of passive income is that it's scalable and flexible. You can create multiple streams of passive income, and you can choose from a variety of options and strategies. You can also make money without working, as your passive income sources generate income for you automatically. You can also benefit from compounding, which is when your income grows exponentially over time, as you reinvest your earnings. The main disadvantage of passive income is that it's not easy or quick to set up. You need to invest some time, money, and effort up front to create or acquire your passive income sources. You also need to have some knowledge and skills, or learn them along the way. And you need to have some patience and persistence, as passive income may take some time to grow and pay off. How to increase your passive income? So, how can you increase your passive income and make more money from your passive income sources? Well, there are a few ways to do that. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Create digital products, such as e-books, courses, or apps, and sell them online. Digital products are one of the most popular and profitable forms of passive income, as they have low production and distribution costs, and high profit margins. You can create digital products based on your skills, knowledge, or passions, and sell them on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Shopify. You can also use tools like Flickr to create and edit videos for your digital products. By creating digital products, you can earn passive income every time someone buys or downloads your product, without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service. 2. Start a blog or a YouTube channel, and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Blogging and YouTube are two of the most popular and accessible ways to create passive income online, as they allow you to share your content with a large and engaged audience. You can start a blog or a YouTube channel on any topic that you are interested in or knowledgeable about, and use tools like HubSpot or Think Media to help you write and produce your content. By monetizing your blog or YouTube channel with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, you can earn passive income every time someone views, clicks, or buys something through your content, without having to create or sell anything yourself. 3. Invest in dividend stocks, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending, and earn interest or dividends. Investing is one of the most traditional and reliable ways to create passive income, as it allows you to make your money work for you, and generate income from your capital. You can invest in dividend stocks, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending, and earn interest or dividends on a regular basis, without having to do anything else. You can use tools like Robinhood or Lending Club to help you find and manage your investments. By investing in dividend stocks, bonds, or peer-to-peer lending, you can earn passive income from your money, and benefit from compounding and capital appreciation. How to leverage your passive income? So, now that you know how to increase your passive income and make more money from your passive income sources, how can you leverage it and use it for financial success? Well, there are a few ways to do that. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Pay off your debt, and free up your cash flow. One of the best things you can do with your passive income is to pay off your debt, and free up your cash flow. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom, as it eats up your income, and limits your options. By paying off your debt, you can save money on interest, and have more money to spend, save, or invest. You can use tools like Ramsey Solution or Money Crashers to help you pay off your debt faster and easier. By paying off your debt, you can leverage your passive income, and improve your financial situation and well-being. 2. Save and invest more money, and grow your wealth faster. Another thing you can do with your passive income is to save and invest more money, and grow your wealth faster. Saving and investing are the keys to building wealth, as they allow you to accumulate more money, and make it grow over time. By saving and investing more money, you can achieve your financial goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early. You can use tools like Later or The Balance to help you save and invest more money smarter and better. By saving and investing more money, you can leverage your passive income, and create your financial freedom. 3. Enjoy your life, and pursue your passions. The ultimate thing you can do with your passive income is to enjoy your life, and pursue your passions. Passive income gives you the freedom and flexibility to live the life you want, without having to worry about money. By enjoying your life, and pursuing your passions, you can have more happiness, fulfillment, and meaning. You can use tools like Entrepreneur or Copyright Matters to help you find and follow your passions and interests. 3. By enjoying your life, and pursuing your passions, you can leverage your passive income, and create your personal happiness. So, there you have it. These are some of the best ways to increase your passive income and leverage it for financial success. As you can see, passive income is a powerful and amazing way to make money online, and create your financial freedom and happiness. By following these tips and strategies, you can create and grow your passive income, and use it to pay off your debt, save and invest more money, and enjoy your life and passions. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.